what's up, y'all? It's cracking this D. About to react to this video by Cabran. This is Flight Reacts making random noises. And these flight compilations are pretty funny that y'all be recommending me to watch. Yeah, he gonna be making weird noises. I know he makes that one weird noise that I think is so funny. He be like, that one is just like, you are not really laughing. That is not a real laugh. But he does that. What else? He makes a couple other weird noises. I can't think right now, but definitely that one where he's laughing and he's like, like, he makes a weird face with it too. It's funny. Anyway, let's see what other random noises he makes. Let's watch. I wasn't talking about that one, but what the hell? He looked like he's getting an ass whooping, like he in pain. Nah, Flight, you gotta chill. That's what he used to be doing. Nah. I say more find out they wearing something. What? Nah, he on something.
Cap, amazing Cap.
That's what I was talking about.
Ring. Something named FLIGHTREACTS. Better than the rest. She don't know what's for you with that she tryna rap. And be in denial. Another case.
That sound like a dolphin.
What the fuck?
I'm familiar with Flight. Definitely seen thumbnails of him sticking his tongue out, and I've seen like short clips of him acting crazy, you know, him raging, but I didn't know he was doing all this. Like, I'm a little taken aback. Like, I didn't know does he still do this? I hope he does not still do this. This is really excessive. And when I used to see comments of people saying that, you know, I'm boring when I react to videos, if this is what the fuck y'all was expecting, y'all got me so fucked up. I'm not watching no video and doing all this for y'all. I'm just not. And I don't know if people are still saying that. Again, I don't read my comments, honestly, so I don't know. People might still be saying that, you know, I just sit here and I don't talk much and da-da-da. But I ain't fucking doing this to entertain no niggas. I can't do it, and I just don't think that you need to do this when you're reacting to videos. I think this is a bit much, and it comes across like he owns something. I'm not saying he is on something, but that's what the fuck it looks like. And nah, this ain't it. I'm a bit confused by this. I really hope this is old footage and he's no longer doing this. But y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.